Question 1. What picture best helps explain the structure of an atom? Answer options are: Option A, a giant balloon floating in air. Option B, a tiny solar system with a bright center. Option C, a closed box filled with sand. Option D, a frozen block of ice. Correct option is option B, a tiny solar system with a bright center. This image shows a nucleus in the center with particles moving around it. Question 2. What defines an atom as a specific element? Answer options are: Option A, its size. Option B, its number of protons. Option C, its number of electrons. Option D, its temperature. Correct option is option B, its number of protons. The number of protons determines the element identity. Question 3. What forms the strong center of an atom? Answer options are: Option A, electrons swirling in clouds. Option B, protons and neutrons in the nucleus. Option C, empty space inside the atom. Option D, moving photons of light. Correct option is option B, protons and neutrons in the nucleus. These particles create the dense atomic core. Question 4. How do atoms form molecules? Answer options are: Option A, they melt into each other. Option B, their electrons interact and create bonds. Option C, they heat up until they fuse. Option D, they lose all energy. Correct option is option B, their electrons interact and create bonds. Electron interactions form chemical bonds. Question 5. Why does learning about atoms make chemistry easier? Answer options are: Option A, atoms control gravity. Option B, reactions and bonds depend on atomic behavior. Option C, atoms change color when heated. Option D, atoms create sound waves. Correct option is option B, reactions and bonds depend on atomic behavior. Understanding atoms explains chemical reactions. Question 6. Which example shows atoms used in medicine? Answer options are: Option A, paper bending. Option B, sodium helping nerve signals. Option C, rain falling. Option D, clouds forming. Correct option is option B, sodium helping nerve signals. Sodium ions move to transmit nerve impulses. Question 7. What memory image can help you remember atoms? Answer options are: Option A, glowing planet with tiny lights circling it. Option B, a stack of books on a desk. Option C, a flying kite in the wind. Option D, a spinning wooden top. Correct option is option A, a glowing planet with tiny lights circling it. This helps visualize a nucleus with orbiting electrons. Question 8. What particle moves in cloud-like zones around the nucleus? Answer options are: Option A, proton. Option B, neutron. Option C, electron. Option D, photon. Correct option is option C, electron. Electrons move in probability clouds around the nucleus. Question 9. Which two particles sit inside the atomic nucleus? Answer options are: Option A, electrons and photons. Option B, neutrons and electrons. Option C, protons and neutrons. Option D, protons and electrons. Correct option is option C, protons and neutrons. These particles form the atomic nucleus. Question 10. Why are atoms important to all matter? Answer options are: Option A, they form the basic building blocks of everything. Option B, they create electricity in storms. Option C, they appear only in metals. Option D, they exist only in laboratories. Correct option is option A, they form the basic building blocks of everything. All matter is composed of atoms. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.